Welcome to GateX AIML. We'll solve few problems on the concept of hierarchical clustering. In complete linkage, hierarchical clustering, which of the following statements is true? The maximum inter-cluster distance is used for merging. This complete linkage uses the maximum inter-cluster distance. Minimum is for single linkage. Average distance is for average linkage. Clusters are not merged randomly. Divisive hierarchical clustering uses which of the following for splitting clusters? The divisive means top down. So from large cluster, we come down to the small clusters. So it uses largest intra-cluster distance. Means the cluster initially the intra distance will be high, full cluster. Then we go on splitting them. Okay. Smallest inter-cluster distance is not. This is the bottom-up approach. Not random split, no maximum number of points. Which of the following is true about complete linkage agglomerative clustering? Okay. Produces compact spherical clusters. See, it produces compact, but it is not guaranteed to produce spherical cluster. So this statement becomes wrong. Only if this was the case, then it is correct. So this is wrong. Sensitive to outliers. Yes, all the clustering algorithms are sensitive to outliers except k-medoids. Can produce chain-like clusters. So this happens in single linkage. Merges clusters based on minimum distance. So minimum distance is again single linkage. In hierarchical clustering, which of the following statements are correct? Okay, multiple select question. Agglomerative clustering is bottom up, that is true. Divisive clustering is top down. Complete linkage merges cluster based on maximum distance, not minimum distance. So this is wrong. Single linkage produces elongated clusters. That is, elongated means chain-like. A single linkage with minimum distance, it produces chain-like or elongated structures. This is true. In hierarchical clustering, the dendrogram height represents distance at which the clusters merge. Number of points in the cluster, no. Number of clusters at that level, no. Number of, for example, there are clusters like this, my dendrogram. So I have found the height like this. Okay, something like this. So number of levels is represented by the horizontal line that cuts this dendrogram. Okay, that represents the number of levels. So this is wrong. Variance of points in cluster, no. Which of the following is true about the computational complexity of hierarchical clustering? Agglomerative clustering is order of the worst case n square log n with naive implementation. With new implementation or optimal implementation, this is true. So it can be order of n square log n. Divisive clustering is always order of n cube. No, this is not true. They are not n, order of n. So it is n square log n or can be n square. So agglomerative clustering can be n square or n square log n in the worst case. Divisive clustering is always not order of n cube. It can be n square log n with optimal implementation. Divisive hierarchical clustering is preferred over agglomerative when a small number of very large clusters is needed. Yes, because divisive produces large number of clusters because it starts from top down. So big cluster is divided into small cluster. So you can have desired number of big clusters. It doesn't produce tiny cluster. This is produced by minimum distance. Sorry, agglomerative. Data is extremely large. This don't apply. There is no outliers. So all others are not the assumptions. Consider a data set with points A0, 0, B10, C40, D50. Using agglomerative clustering with complete linkage, what is the first cluster merge? So quickly form the table of distance metrics. If you observe here, these points are two-dimensional, but every second feature is 0. Second dimension is 0. So I can just convert it into one dimension: 0, 1, 4, and 5. So just use Euclidean distance, that is xi minus xj distance. So 0 is again 0, 1, 4, 5. Just take the mod value of the difference. So 1, 4, 5, 1, 0, 3, 4, 4, 3, 0, 1, 5, 4, 2, 0. Now the first iteration, what is the first cluster merge? So first find out the minimum. So 1, it is AB are the candidates. Then again I have CD, one minimum. Okay. So I can, the algorithm will merge this or this. They are at the height 1. So AB or CD can be the answer. Okay. Why AC and BD cannot be the answer? Because distance between them, these two are taken AB. So it is 1. That's why they cannot merge BC or AD. These two are wrong. Consider points P, Q, R, S. Using complete linkage agglomerative clustering, what is the height of the dendrogram at which P and R merge? Okay. So now it's a two-dimensional. You just apply Euclidean distance P, Q, R, S. You form the table, calculate the distance matrix for each pair of points. So this is 0, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, and 2, 2. And this is 0, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, and then 2, 2. So for find the distance, that is square root of x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. This is the Euclidean distance in multi-dimension. So from here to here, 0 minus 0 square plus 0 minus 0 is 0 only. So go on calculating like this: 2, 2, this will be 2 root 2, 2, 0, 2 root 2, and then 2, 2, 2 root 2, 0, 2. Then you have 2 root 2, 2, 2, and 0. Now, they're asking when P and R will merge. Now, let's begin with the algorithm. Initially, we have P, Q, R, S. If you observe here, P, Q, R, S, P and Q, distance is 2, that is minimum. So, in minimum here is 2 only. Okay, 2 root 2 is greater than 2. So, P, Q is also candidate, and then we have R, S also the candidate. R, yes, where is S? Yeah, this one. Okay, so P, Q, R, S. So first can merge. These two can merge, and then these two can merge. The height here is what? 2. Dendrogram height. Then after that, so we will form, this is one cluster, say new K1. This is K2. Then these two will be merged next. Minimum of this. You need not find out also. The next height is 2 root 2. Okay. You take the minimum of this. How will you take the minimum? Sorry, maximum distance. Because they are asking complete linkage. Maximum of the K1 comma K2. So this will be equal to all possible combinations: P, R, P, S, Q, R, and Q, S. Because K1 equal to PQ, K2 equal to RS. So all 4. So in this you find out the maximum distance. This is max of 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2, and then 2. So it is complete linkage. So maximum is 2 root 2. So at this height they will merge. Okay, this is the final. So 2 at 2 root 2. The answer. For a divisive clustering algorithm on one dimensional points, they are given 6 points here. The first split should ideally separate. Okay, so initially in divisive, that is top down, all the points will be a single cluster. We'll start from top down. They're asking how will you split this? Okay. So how will you split? You check the distance because it's based on the maximum intra-cluster distance. Now 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12. They are arranged in the ascending order. Now each pair you go on taking the difference. This pair difference is 1. This pair difference is 1. This pair difference is 7. This pair difference is 1. This is again 1. So if you observe here, this ideally you have to split here. This is the maximum distance. So when I split this, I will get this as 1, 2, 3. Intuitively you can see here, just see and then find the answer. But the exam, to be sure, I'm giving this method. Okay. So this is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. We'll continue in the next video.